Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to change your delivery address on Amazon after placing order but you don't know how to do it, so in today's video, I will explain to you clearly step by step how to change delivery address on Amazon after placing order. So as usual, go to your Amazon on your device first. If you use application, you go application and then search order section here. Okay, so go to your returns and order section, but for me, it's nothing. I haven't ordered from Amazon, so let's see this one. Okay, so after clicking to your returns and order section, you're gonna see your past order here. So click the order that you want to change your address. So if you choose this one, you're gonna see over the your delivery status like arriving Friday, not yet shipped. So it's not delivered for yet or it's not shipped for yet. So you can change your delivery address absolutely and then click order details. So this is what you're gonna see look like. In your order detail, you can check your date, your order numbers, and your order total codes. And then under your order details, you can see your shipment detail, estimating delivery address, or uh, your current delivery status. So, as I mentioned before, is your delivery status show not yet shipped, you can change your delivery address. But it's already still shipped or out for delivery, the address may not be changeable for in some case. So, if you can change not yet shipped, what you need to do next is go to your chain delivery address, enter your shipping details, and add your new delivery address here. So just save and continue. It's already updated your delivery address here. Okay, so here your delivery address has been updated successfully for this order. But if already stay out for deliveries or stay shipping, what you can do for the kinds of saturation. Okay, so in the kinds of saturation, Amazon may not allow you to change your address directly anymore. So you need to cancel your orders and you need to reorder again. But if you don't want to reorder your items and you can wait anymore to get your item, what you can do next is if you're the one who live within United States, you can contact to USPS counter service. I will show you how can you contact to USPS. Okay. So USPS package intercept, depending on the shipment status, USPS service allow you to hold your package on nearest post office or redirect the package or pick the package at the local post office, and then it's also allowing you if you want to request another delivery attempt, they were also trying to they were also trying to deliver your package again, but I'm not very sure about that because it's only used within United States. So if you want to know more about detail, you need to contact to the customer service, or you can also contact for via Business Customer Gateway in USPS.com. So you can request new order, you can request new delivery attend from them, and you can change your delivery address like this in some case. For those who live outside United States, I think they need to cancel your orders and reorder your item again. This is the best choice for you guys. Okay. I hope this video gonna help you a lot in different way. Thank you so much for watching. See you back, guys.